reap what you sow. Royal fans made Harry paid huge price over he threw royal on legal court. Prince Harry's favourability among Britons has declined since his marriage with Meghan Markle, a new Ipsos survey has shown. Prince Harry's favourability rating dropped 35 percentage points according to a comparison between an Ipsos study completed in March 2022 and a similar analysis carried out just before he tied the knot with Meghan in May 2018. According to the latest survey, only 3 in 10 people are favourable towards the Duke of Sussex. On the other hand, 43% said to have an unfavourable opinion of him. The analysis was conducted between March 24 and 25 on 2,055 Britons aged between 16 to 75. The Duchess of Sussex has also seen a substantial loss in the favourability rate over the past years. Almost a quarter of the responses analysed, 24%, are favourable towards Meghan, Duchess of Sussex. Half of those polled said to have an unfavourable opinion of the Duchess of Sussex. This means her favourability rate dropped by 16% when these results are compared with the 2018 data, gathered from an Ipsos Global Advisor poll of 1,000 Britons aged between 16 and 64. Only Prince Andrew performed worse than the Sussexes in this survey, with 11% of those polled saying to have a positive impression of him against 69% saying they have an unfavourable opinion of him. The Queen continues to top the charts as the most loved member of the royal family, with 69% of those analysed saying to have a favourable view of her against 12% who said to have an unfavourable impression of the sovereign. A comparison with the 2018 study shows a surge of 7% over the year in the number of people with a positive opinion of the Queen. The monarch is followed in the analysis by Prince William, with a 64% favourability rate against a 13% unfavourability rate. While he grew in favourability by 2% when compared with the similar analysis led in 2018, his wife Kate, Duchess of Cambridge, has grown by 4% in the past years. The Duchess is third in the charts drawn by Ipsos results, with a 60% favourability rate against a 13% unfavourability one. Meghan and Prince Harry met during the summer of 2016 and, as confessed by the Duke himself during his interview with James Corden in February last year. Speaking to the British comedian during a special episode of his Late Late Show, Harry said he and Meghan immediately hit it off and their relationship went from 0 to 60 within just weeks. The pair eventually announced their engagement in November 2017 and tied the knot in May 2018. But, even before becoming a duchess, Meghan started performing a few royal duties, taking part in visits and engagements with Prince Harry as a clear sign she wanted to hit the ground running with her work. Parts of the documents in a case brought by Prince Harry against the Home Office over his police protection in the UK will remain secret, a High Court judge has ruled. Last month the Duke of Sussex applied for a judicial review when it was decided he would not be allowed to pay for protection when he and his family returned to the UK. A representative for the royal, soaking up the sunshine in Los Angeles with wife Meghan and 2 children, said it was too dangerous to return as a result. At a preliminary hearing in February, the High Court heard representations from both sides to keep some of the court documents private and out of the public eye. It has been revealed. Both the Duke and the Home Office have agreed on the vast majority of what needed to be redacted from witness evidence. A judge today has allowed the bid. In his ruling, Mr. Justice Swift explained editing out information from court documents would avoid the risk that putting information into the public domain concerning security arrangements made on past occasions, and the general approach to whether and if so what arrangements should be made, may impair the effectiveness of arrangements in place now, on which may be put in place in the future. Mr. Justice Swift said some parts of his reasons for the decision would have to remain confidential.